everyone, I'm Zoe. I help parents who want to bring out the best in their children but have no idea where to start or how to start. So I understand that there are many parents out there who want to actually make some homemade play-doh, any activity that is homemade, so that they can actually monitor what is the ingredient inside the things that they make. Okay, so here I have a few recipes that I would like to share with you. So today I'm going to share with you a homemade play-doh recipe that I've tested it and experimented it, and it is really nice recipe to use. Okay, so enjoy watching. So the ingredient for play-doh is we need 2 cups of flour. I split into 2, 1 cup and 1 cup. 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 tablespoon of cream of tartar, 1.5 cup of salt, and food coloring, any color that you like. Okay, so let's get started. So what you need is medium to low heat. Alright, first pour in the oil, cream of tartar, everything, the water and the salt, everything in, and put in a little bit of food coloring that you want. Right, and normally I use pipette. 1, 2, 3. Okay, normally I put 3 to 5 drops. Alright, then you stir it for about a minute or so, actually until it warm. Right, stir it until it warm. I need to get it high a little bit to make it warm. Stir it. Normally, if using a stove is easier, but because of today I'm shooting a video, I use a electric one, so it is not as hot as what I want. So I'm actually increase it to a higher temperature. Okay, once it is warm already, you can feel the heat, right? Yes. Once it's warm already, you can actually off it. It. Then you pour 1 cup of flour in first, and you stir, and you really stir it. You stir and stir. You see that the texture is very lumpy. Yes, it's very lumpy. Just stir a bit. This is only 1 cup of flour. Alright. Wait until it cold. Then slowly for this cup, just put a little bit to add on. No need to add everything. This 1 cup is actually for standby, and knead it. Okay. Normally I'll knead it on the table. See, it's still a bit lumpy. It's hot also.
little bit. Actually, this 1 cup, it doesn't really need necessary to finish using it. As long as you feel that the texture is good, then it's okay. Just eat a little bit more. Okay. It's really soft. If you see the texture, it's really soft. Okay. Wait till it cool. It's still a little bit warm when you knead it, but it's okay. The more you knead, actually, it's getting really soft, and I really like the texture. See? Just add a little bit more if you feel it too soft. Oh, I really like the texture. Okay, it's really easy to knead. All right. So there you go. Your Play-Doh is ready. So as I said, not really necessary 1 cup, but actually put 1 cup here as a standby in case you need more to knead it. Actually, you see that texture is really very soft. I decided to put a little bit more. Okay. Ta-da! The Play-Doh is ready. Okay, so how you want to store it? You can actually cut into half. Cut into half. You can keep the half in a Ziploc bag and put it in the fridge, and this one you can let your children to play. Okay, that's a very easy and a very simple Play-Doh that you can make at home, which can easily last you for 2 to 3 weeks in a Ziploc bag. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching.